Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 6. 잠시만요, which means just a second in Korean. As we have mentioned on our previous discussion, Jeogiyo is not used to address people to pass through a crowd. Instead, this is used to call someone's attention in Korean. If we could not use Jeogiyo to address people to pass through a crowd, we can use our word for today, which is 잠시만요. Again, we can use 잠시만요 to address people to pass through a crowd. Aside from that, this could be used to say just a second, which is used to ask a person to wait for you for a while. Now, how do we write 잠시만요 in Hangul? This is divided into 4 syllables. The first syllable jam is formed from the combination of a jiat, a, and miyum character. The second syllable shi is formed from the combination of a siat and e character. The third syllable man is formed from the combination of a miyum, a, and nian character. And the last syllable yo is formed from the combination of a placeholder ian and the yo character itself. Again, that's the 4 syllables of 잠시만요. We just need to combine the hangul for each of these 4 syllables to form the hangul of the word 잠시만요. Aside from 잠시만요, another way of saying just a second is 잠깐만요. If you have observed on K-dramas, they would usually say 잠시만요 or 잠깐만요 to ask for a person to wait for them. Just so that we know, aside from 잠시만요, we can also use 잠깐만요 to say just a second, or to ask for a person to wait for a while. And with that, you've just learned 잠시만요. Now let's proceed to the word recap. The first word we studied is Annyeong Haseyo. This is a polite and casual way of saying hello in Korean. The second word we discussed is Annyeong Hasimnikka. This is a formal way of saying hello in Korean. The third word we discussed is 감사합니다. This is a formal way of saying thank you in Korean. Word number 4 is 죄송합니다. This is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 5 is Jeogiyo. This is used to say excuse me to call the attention of someone. And the word we discussed today is 잠시만요, which could be used to say just a second or just for a while. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to discuss Annyeonghi Gyeseyo. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.